Good morning, children. Today we do group 16 elements or 16th group. Now, what are the elements which are present in the group 16? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Now, the group number itself indicates, I told you, the number of electrons in the outermost orbit. Since there are 6 electrons, so the electronic configuration is Ns2np4. What are we doing, children? We are discussing about the group 16 or 68. So the group number itself indicates the number of electrons. So there are 6 electrons on outermost orbit. S में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, P में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Electronic configuration is general electronic configuration is Ns2np4. Now next is atomic size. Now atomic size, as we are moving from left to right hand side, 16th group before 15th group elements are there. So atomic size with increase in atomic number, as we are moving from left to the right hand side, decreases. As we are moving from left to the right hand side, decreases. Okay, children? Now, atomic size down the family, atomic size down the family increases with increase in atomic number. Across decreases. Down the family, atomic number is increasing, number of the shells also increasing, so size increases. Across, size decreasing. Down the family, size increasing. Now ionization enthalpy. Now these elements are having very high ionization enthalpy. The first ionization enthalpy is lesser than the second ionization enthalpy. Now next is electron affinity. So these elements are having high electron affinity. Oxygen is having. What do you mean by electron affinity? The tendency of an atom to form covalent bonds. Okay. Electronegativity. Oxygen is electronegative than other elements. So these are the physical properties, children. Now let us start with the chemical properties. The first property is reactivity with hydrogen. All these elements, they react with the hydrogen to form H2O. All these elements, they react with the hydrogen to form hydrides of the molecular formula H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2T. Okay, children, clear? Now acidic character. Acidic character increases. Okay, children? Acidic character. All the elements of the group 16, they react with the hydrogen to form hydrides. H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2TE. Okay, children? Now, as we are moving, the acidic character increases. Okay, children? The acidic character increases from H2O to HTE, and the increase in acidic character can be explained in terms of decrease in bond enthalpy, okay, and thermal stability also decreases from H2O. Thermal stability. Thermal stability also decreases from H2O to H2SE. Okay, children? Thermal stability. Thermal stability. As we are moving from H2O to H2PO, decreases down the family. Acidic character increases down the family. Now next, children, all the elements react with the oxygen to form EO2 and EO3. Now next, oxides. They react with the oxygen to form EO2 and EO3. For example, sulfur. oxygen to form two oxides, SO2 and SO3. Clear children? Oxides. These elements they react with oxygen to form two oxides, SO2 and SO3. Okay children, clear? Now next. Reducing property of the dioxide decreases from SO2 to TeO2. SO2 is reducing while TeO2 is an oxidizing agent. Now next, reactivity with the halogen. Elements of the group 16. Now next is halides. Reactivity with halogens. Elements of the group 16. They react with the chlorine, bromine and iodine to form halides of the formula, general formula EX2, EX4 and EX6. Okay children, they form halides EX2, EX4 and EX6. Okay, take for example sulfur, SF2, SF4, SF6, SF2, SF4 and SF6. Clear children? Now next, among the tetrafluoride, SF4 is a gas, SeF4 is a liquid and TeF4 is a solid. Now next, let us start with the compound children, oxygen. Now dioxygen. Oxygen. How will you prepare oxygen? Potassium chlorate on decomposition it will give 2 KCl plus CO2. Potassium chlorate on decomposition it will split into 2 moles of KCl and 1 mole of oxygen. We can also prepare by heating silver oxide. 2 moles of silver oxide on heating will get 4 moles of Ag and 1 mole of O2. 2 moles of silver oxide they decompose to give 4 moles of Ag and 1 mole of O2. Now next preparation is clear. Potassium chlorate on decomposition it will give 2 moles of KCl and 3 moles of O2. Now silver oxide on decomposition it will give 4 moles of Ag and oxygen is released. Properties children. Now calcium, chemical properties. Calcium react with oxygen. Calcium react with oxygen to form calcium oxide. Similarly, aluminium react with oxygen to form Al2. 2 moles of Al2O3 are formed. Children, this inorganic chemistry very easy to understand, but only thing is most of the reactions are there. You have to write and practice the chemical reactions. Okay children, that closes oxygen. Now about the simple oxides. Now a binary compound of oxygen with another element is called oxide. As already stated, oxygen react with most of the elements of the periodic table to form oxides. Oxides can be simple MgO, Al2O3 or mixed Pb3O4, Fe3O4, and simple oxides can be classified as acidic, basic or amphoteric. Now the acidic oxides are SO2, Cl2O7, all these are acidic oxides. Now Al2O3 children, Al2O3, this oxide acts as both the amphoteric oxide. It shows both chemical properties and physical properties. It is both shows acidic property also and basic property also. So therefore, this aluminum oxide is an amphoteric oxide. Okay, children, clear? Now next point.